Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about plumbing fixtures. Okay, what are the different type of plumbing fixtures we have? Okay, where it is used and how it is used. Okay, so let's begin the session. Basically, there are a lot of variety of plumbing fixtures. So we are going to learn what are the most commonly used plumbing fixtures. Okay, so first is we have water closet. Water closet we have two types. Okay, first I'll show you some images so that you can understand very easily. So basically water closet we have two types. Okay, one is IWC, Indian water closet, which you use it generally in most of the houses and all in old age you'll find out that type of water closet is called Indian water closet, IWC in short. Next we have EWC, which is called European water closet. Okay, European water closet. In European water closet, basically we have two types. Okay, one is wall mounted, another is floor mounted. I will show example you can understand very easily. Okay, I will show some images basically to get the clarity. Next most common fixture is wash basin. Here basically we have four types. Okay, we have under counter, above counter. Okay, we have pedestal and wall hang. Okay, four types: under counter, above counter, pedestal, and wall hang. Counter, above counter, pedestal type, wall hang type. Okay. What most commonly fixtures is Unil, which is you have wall hang type, which are to write URI. Fourth is shower. Shower also you have basically variety of shower you have. You have normal shower with head, and you have second is rain shower. You have remote shower and bathtub. So four types. One is normal shower. It's called shower head. Second is you have rainwater shower. Or you have remote shower. The different types of shower it comes under the shower as you can say. So all these types and all, when you learn with some images, you'll get to understand very clearly what does it means. So if you see, this is our Indian water closet. In short, it is called IWC. School, colleges, and all will find this type of water closet. Okay, here you have flow is 6 LPM. Second one is your European water closet. Now in malls, in airports, you'll find most basically this type of WC. Here you have again two types. One is wall mounted, and another is floor mounted. Here you can see it is wall mounted on the wall. Okay. Second, we have a floor mounted. This is floor mounted. So here also we have another thing is called flush tank and flush valve. Flush valve is an example. This is called flush valve. Generally, whenever you travel in a train, you will see flush valve, right? And flush tank is something like this. It can be concealed, it can be exposed. A variety of material is available in the market based on the range of prices. All this it is available. The capacity is most commonly is used. The range is 5 to 15 liters. Most commonly it is used 10 to 12 liters. Second is wash basin. We have different types of wash basin as I told. One is normal, where you open the tap and use it. Second, we have a metering type. Okay, the solenoid that's allowed. When you put your hand, okay, below the faucet, the 1 liter of water will come at a time. After that, it will off automatically. So that is called meter type. Okay. So here you have a countertop, under counter, pedestal type, wall hang. 4 types. Very important. Very important. It's 4 types. Next is Unil wall hang type. Here you can see flow rate is 3.8 LPM. This you'll find in the malls, airports, everywhere you'll find. And you have a partition. In between that partition you will find it. So next is shower. Okay. Shower, normal shower, you have 10 LPM. Okay. You have rain shower, 30, 15 to 20 LPM also is available. 30 LPM is also available. I'll show what is rain shower. So this is a shower, normal shower. You'll find most of the places. And this is called something called rain shower. Okay. Here you require more pressure and more flow. So while designing, you should be very careful while designing this, because it required more pressure, some booster pump or something you put an extra so that you get the required pressure. This is called remote shower and this is called bathtub. And secondly, most commonly you find the kitchen sink here. This is called single bowl, single drain bowl. This is called drain bowl. Okay. We have single bowl. This actually image is wrong with respect to this text. This is single bowl with double drain bowl. If you have 2 bowl, then it is double bowl and double drain bowl. Double drain bowl is there. But this text. And you have a bidet. This is generally used in the hospitals to clean the internal organs. Generally, it is used for patients to clean it. So that's about basically the overview of the plumbing fixtures. If you want to learn detail about the plumbing designing, so kindly contact our board number 990052 9008. Repeat 990052 9008. If you are first time to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.